Alright folks, this the Hammerman Duke again with you. Got y'all another video on this 2022 Volkswagen Taos. And she's a beaut. Don't let nobody tell you different. Got the leather red interior, got the push button, everything is digital except for these dials down here, climate control. Really nice. Got the 4Motion, so it's a 4-wheel drive vehicle. It's got those all the way around. It's got the blacked out rims. Looking good too. Got that 1.4 liter inline 4 with a turbocharger on it. I don't know if y'all can see it back in there. That joker give it a lot of power. Yes sir. Yes ma'am. It's got a beautiful big grill on it. That's an aggressive stance, look. Let me put the hood back down. Look at that shine, boy. Whew. Look at that paint. Got that metallic paint. Yes, sir. Got that hatchback on it. 4Motion system on it there. It's got that cargo cover on it. This the SE model with the 4Motion. Taos. Let's see. She's a beaut. Don't let nobody tell you any different. My. A sight to see. It's what you gonna get. 2022. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. All right. Get about 28 miles to the gallon combined. Hope you liked the video. If you do, like and subscribe. I might make a few more of them now. All right, this the Hammerman Duke, and I'm back quiet. Y'all have a great day.